little bit of funny business going on up here in Canton, Ohio, and it is here at the Carnival of Horrors. This year we're at the Stark County Fairgrounds. There's 4 separate haunted attractions here, and we're gonna kick it up a notch with the Touch Pass. And the best part is we're taking you inside with us, so without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Oh crap, here we go, Psycho Asylum. Right or left?
Oh my, left.
Right. Okay, left.
Uh-oh. Oh no.
Oh, there's a clown that way though. I don't know if we were supposed to do that.
Oh gosh. Oh, no,
Okay.
I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
Definitely a maze.
Oh no.
Oh, hello
Oh,
there.
my. Oh gosh.
Okay.
Oh, my.
I don't really know.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Where'd they take her? Oh,
I feel like this is not the way.
Where'd she go?
I mean, it can be if you want it to be.
Okay, left was not the right way. Oh.
Well, we definitely haven't been over here yet. What is
Nope,
that?
nope. Oh, there it is.
Oh
Oh,
my
gosh.
goodness. Oh wow. Oh, okay. Thank you. I don't know. Oh, are we going the right way? Oh crap.
Watch him. Left is green. Left is green.
Left is green? I don't think that's it. Ooh, that smells like cotton candy. Hi!
Oh.
Oh my goodness. I really don't know. Let's
Left.
see.
Oh God. Oh God.
Oh crap, Tyler. We haven't
new.
seen that yet.
That's
Oh!
new.
Ooh, look at your paint. Oh my. I think they done killed another clown. Yeah. You did.
Oh no.
Such a wonderful darling.
Oh, yeah?
Just be a wonderful new addition to my collection.
She can't.
Collection? Oh.
No.
Good night.
Oh God.
Oh, okay. I see. Oh,
No. Knock knock. Who's there?
Did you enjoy yourself?
we did, yes.
Did you like my cycle?
I think we're all
did.
better now.
It was amazing.
All right, so that was the Psycho Asylum, and they are quite psycho in there. Now it's time for Terror Visions in 3D. This guy again.
I just want to know where the blood came from.
Now watch him.
Oh.
Now watch him. Don't
Thank
do that.
you.
She probably don't smell real good.
We have matching hair.
Oh yeah.
Robbie is not your friend.
All right,
Okay.
now watch out for Robbie.
Oh, is that Robbie?
That's
What the
Robbie.
hell?
Don't let him catch you. We gotta go faster.
I didn't think he was
Oh,
going
no,
to look
no,
like
no,
that.
no, no.
Oh,
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 he got her. He got Nora. Oh no. Oh God. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay, they're going to keep me
Oh
out.
God. Oh God.
Oh.
I just want hugs.
We got to go find more Robbies.
Oh God.
Oh my God.
She's gonna give you to Robbie. Oh no.
Give me the Robbie.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
he's got an axe. Ah, she's got me too. She's got me too. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
No.
Yeah, we're friends. Yeah, we're definitely friends.
Ooh.
See, he's been up to no good. Oh, here
Oh, God. These are really weird.
Oh my. Oh,
Oh my God. Where
Oh,
the
God.
heck do you
Oh,
go?
God.
Okay.
Oh God.
Ew.
Oh,
What the hell?
not nice, buddy. Not nice. Oh no. Oh no. Don't let him get you. Oh no.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, nice buddy. Nice buddy. Oh my. Oh,
It's even got a little axe like him.
Oh! Watch him. Watch him.
You gotta watch him for sure.
Oh, there he is
crap.
again.
We're not going over there,
Oh,
right?
no. We're gonna go this way.
We're gonna go this way. Oh, look at the doors.
Yeah. Oh God. Oh God.
Oh,
God.
oh. Oh, in there. Don't. Oh.
Do not push the
push the
button.
button.
Nora. Oh, you gotta push the button. She pushed the button.
I pushed the
She
button.
pushed the button.
I did. Oh, look at all the dots.
Oh my.
Oh my God.
Oh my. Oh God. What the heck was that? All right, so we did not escape Robbie Rabbit, but now it is time for Nightmare Alley, and we hear chainsaws.
Oh,
my. Oh my.
Hi,
Nora.
Hi.
Oh, hello.
That's not good.
Oh God.
Oh
He's
no.
not very nice either.
Oh hell no. Oh my God.
He's stuck.
There's a clown with a chainsaw.
Oh God.
We go that way? That way! Oh my God.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Brains?
Gotta check for brains.
There's
She
probably
don't have any.
not any there. Oh!
Nope.
Yeah. Was there anything there?
No.
Yeah.
Nope. Yep.
I didn't think so.
Oh no.
Look at him down there!
No,
Hey, oh, what is that?
Oh my. Oh God. There he is again. Oh no.
What is that?
That was alive. That was alive. Hey.
Ow!
That's a
Ow!
nice hat. That's a nice hat.
Tyler, help!
Yeah. I can't. Oh God.
Tyler, help!
Oh God. I've lost all my powers. I don't have my hat. What the heck?
Oh.
Oh, they took my.
They
What's she
caged
doing in there?
me. What the hell did I
They
do?
locked her in there.
Feed a better for $1.
Oh God.
You can pet her for $1. I don't have $1.
I don't have $1 either to give you. I don't know about it.
My twisted carnies.
I do. As long as they don't bite.
No.
They better?
Oh God.
Okay.
They bite. They bite.
God.
They definitely
Okay.
bite. Someone look. Oh no. Oh God.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh God. Oh no.
God.
No,
You got
that's
enough
not
carnies,
good.
I think.
That's not good. Oh God.
Oh.
Oh, I think he likes you. No.
I think he likes you too.
Yep.
Oh,
gosh.
what
Yeah.
a great family.
They're best
yeah.
friends. It's Dora and Tyler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a
Send
barrel.
help. Send help to Carnival of Horrors.
No,
gosh.
no help here.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Just don't
Okay.
bite us.
Right.
No biting.
Oh, we're going
Uh-oh,
to again.
there's more.
There's still more.
Okay.
It just keeps
yeah.
going. Oh no.
Yeah.
Too many corners.
Oh my God.
No.
Her face. No offense.
Yeah.
Oh
Oh,
gosh. Hi, hi. What is that?
No. Gotta watch him. Gotta watch
Let's
him.
go limp.
All right, so that one was Nightmare Alley. Not sure how we made it out of that one. And I think last but not least is the Fun House.
Are you seeing double right now or triple? Oh, smiley face. Yeah, I like it.
Yep. He doesn't want to give it back. He wants you to know how happy he is to see you.
He's very happy, yeah?
The room
that's-
of doubts. Oh God.
The heck was that?
I hear y'all back here begging.
Oh my God!
It's a Dotman.
Where did that thing come from? I didn't even see that
Dotman.
there. It smells so much like
Five-legged
popcorn, it's
cow.
making me hungry.
Oh God.
Watch out! No!
Easy.
Crooked house.
Crooked house.
Oh,
It's crooked.
that's really cool. Oh my.
Oh my. Oh my. Where do we go? I don't know where to go. Ah, he's coming behind us.
There's somebody in the.
You gotta go uphill to get away from him.
Oh, there's two of them. Oh
no.
crap! This is a maze, isn't it?
Oh no. We had to go left in the chain link, so now we gotta go right. That's all right. Oh, we got out.
Right there.
Oh no. Oh God.
This is
Oh,
a lot of
God,
bubbles.
That's trippy
Oh.
AF. Oh no. We gotta pick a door. Oh, he don't
Yes.
want us to pick the right one. He's coming after us.
Oh, do you smell the popcorn though?
I do smell it. Oh, yep. He don't like us.
Knock knock.
Don't mind us.
That is not
That
a
is
way
not
to greet
necessary.
people. Aw, thanks.
We do not need our hedges trimmed, good sir.
We don't.
No, we don't. I just got trimmed. Thank you. Thank you. No, I don't need it. No.
They're already swinging.
Oh, out in the swamp.
Shoot.
Did we
I
make
could
it?
not see that guy under that at
Nope.
all.
He was completely hidden.
Yes.
All right, guys, well, that was the Carnival of Horrors out here at the Stark County Fairgrounds in Canton, Ohio. Let us know what you thought. If you want to see some more great haunts from up here in northeastern Ohio, I got the next one linked for you right here. We'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.